How big is your to-read pile? How much paper is lying around your home until you get around to reading it one day? This is my current to-read pile. I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, the online professional organiser, liberating you from the shackles of clutter and disorganisation to give you peace of mind and freedom. How long do you reckon it's going to take me to read this pile? I was curious, so I timed myself reading one main section of a weekend newspaper. Not every article, I probably read about 80% of it. How long do you reckon that took? I'll tell you. 2.5 hours. I couldn't believe it. I haven't timed myself reading the shorter sections, obviously they take less time, but I reckon that reading this pile of paper is going to take me about 11 hours. 11 hours! That's a full day and a half's work! Are you being unrealistic about how much reading you do? If you've got stuff to read all over your home, and especially if it's continually increasing, you know what to do. Either set more time aside for reading, or be realistic and recycle some of it. Maybe set a cut-off date. If you haven't read something in 2 weeks, for example, it goes. And how about timing yourself reading a magazine or a newspaper that you subscribe to or regularly buy, and then comment below and let us know how long it took. Alright, like, subscribe, share, comment, and get my free video series using the link below. Thank you if you do, and thank you for watching.